Hello guys, welcome back to Python Basics tutorial series day 16 class. It's me Ashwath Shetty taking you people to understand the basic concept of Python. In my previous class we have discussed about string concept and indexing of strings. Today's class we are going to discuss about the concept called string operations such as concatenation, membership, repetition and string slicing. So let us see now one by one. First we start with concatenation. Concatenation is nothing but adding or joining the strings. Two strings can be concatenated by using the plus operator. So let us see one example now. Let's take one string 1. Let's give the value I, and string 2 everyone. So now the string 1 contains I and string 2 contains everyone. I would like to join this two string and make it as a one string. For that I can use the operator, that is plus operator, like str1 plus str2. So this statement is going to join the two strings contained in the string 1 and string 2 and produce the output. So like this, I everyone. But after concatenation the original string will not be changed. For example, that will be remain same, like str1 value will be I only and str2 value will be everyone only. Like this we can make use of the concatenation. Well guys, now we'll go to the second operation called repetition. Repetition means nothing but sometimes we need to repeat the given string using some repetition operators, which is denoted by symbol star. For example, let's take string 1. I am going to give hello. So this string 1 I want to repeat 2 times. For that I can do the string 1 into, and that means star operator. I am using star operator 2. So this statement is going to repeat the value of string 1 2 times. So let us check. So the hello 2 times repeated. Same way, if I want to repeat that string 5 times, so just change the value 2 from 5. It is repeated 5 times. So but string 1 still remains the same after the use of the repetition operators as concatenation, like string 1 is hello only. Understand? Well guys, now we'll go to the next operator, membership operator. Sometimes we need to check some conditions and some characters whether it is present in the string or not to achieve some goals in our program. To do so, we use the membership operators in my previous classes, that is while explaining the operators, membership operators, we have seen that in operator and not in operator, these are all the membership operators that can be used in our string operators. So we'll see like how we can make use of that membership operator in our strings. So for that let's take one string. So str1 again. So I will give string called Python. So in this Python string I want to check some characters whether it is present in the string or not. To do so I use now that in membership operator. For that I can use like T in str1. If I proceed this statement, it will check whether T is present in the string Python and it will print boolean value true or false. If it is present, it will print true. If it is not present, it will print false. Let us check now. So T is present in the string str1, that's why it is printed true. So let's check some other condition for false. I will check now. I will give S in str1. So S is not present in the str1, so it should print false. Like this we can make use of the in membership operator in the strings. Same way we can use not in membership operator. Not in operator also takes two strings and returns true or false. If the character not in the string, it will returns the true. If it is in the string, it will return the false. Let us have the example. For this I will have string s. In the string s, I am going to give the value computer science. So I am going to use now not in operator, not in membership operator. For that, let us give a not in yes. So a is not in the string s, so it should print true now. So true. Same way I can check for false condition. That is, I will use now c not in yes. So c is in string s, that's why it is giving false. Well guys, we'll move to the next string operation called slicing. In Python, to access some part of the string or substring, we use a method called slicing. This can be done by using the specifying an index range. We have discussed this indexing concept in my previous class. So when the given string, the slice operation will be given a range. Like for example, if I take str1 as a string, so str1 of index n is to m. The n is nothing but that is a starting value including starting index, and m is the ending. It is going to provide inclusive n and exclusive m. Let us have now example for slicing operation. So take str1. So in this str1, I am going to have the string called hello world, and now I am going to slice the string. For example, str1 of, so first I will give 1:5. That means here n value is 1 and m value is 5. So inclusive 1 and exclusive 5, it is going to use the substring of starting from index 1 to 4. Okay, that is starting from 1 to 4, that is HELL. Same way we'll slice some other, we'll use some other option. I will give word of Python. So in this now I am going to slice now str1 of 3:8 I will give. Okay, so that means from 3 it is going to print 7 up to 7. Okay, that is id space o of 3 to 7. Same way we can access or slice without mentioning the starting condition, starting index, that is str1 of, just we can give the m condition, that is ending point 10 I will give. Okay, in this case what happens, it gives the substrings from the index 0 to 9, that is word of p. We can make use of reverse operation like str1 of, we can mention a starting condition, start from 6, and end we can leave empty, that is m value ending point. That means from 6 it is going to index and give the substring. Okay, Python from 6 it is giving up to ending point. And we can give the step size of the slicing. That means from one character to other character we can move forward by giving the step size. The step like this we can give the step size, that is from, we have to mention the start and end, and at last we have to give the step size. Step size means how many steps it should increment. We can give the positive step size as well as negative step size. I am giving here positive step size like this. So it starts from 0, and after 0 it is incremented by 2 and giving the value of that index, and same until that ending point it does the same and give the substring. Same way we can do the negative slicing, that is, for example, -6, start from -6 and I can give the up to -1. In this, what happens, it will do the it will do the reverse indexing like this. That means from -1 it is going to print up to -6. Okay, this is the negative slicing using negative indexing. Understand? So like this we can make use of the string operations in our program. Well guys, now we'll move to the next concept, that is called traversing a string. In the programming, we need to traverse the string to achieve some task. We can access each character of a string or traverse a string using a for loop as well as while loop. So we'll see first traversing method. I will show how we can traverse the string by using the for loop now. Let's take one string str1 and have the characters, that is string hello world, in it. Now I am going to use the for loop in this for ch in str1, hence I am going to print ch comma end is equal to space. Okay, in this print statement what is going to happen, the loop starts from the first character of the string str1 and automatically ends when the last character is accessed. Okay, now just save the program and run the program. Let's check it what happens. See here, it is going to print from the starting letter to ending letter. I have specified here space for each character, that's why it is giving this along with the space. Okay, like this we can make use of the for loop for traversing the string. Okay, same way we'll see second method that to traverse the string, that is string traversal using while loop. So let us have some example now. String 1 is equal to, for the I will have hello world as the string 1, and now instead of for loop I am showing here while loop. Now here for while loop I want one variable called index. So initially I am assigning index value 0. Now I am going to have the while loop and index less than, I am using inbuilt function len function, now len of str1. Okay, while index less than len of str1, then then I am going to print str1 of index comma end. So in end I am appending space. Okay, after that each iteration I should increment the index value by using the plus operator by 1. Okay, now let us save this, and here what happens, while loop runs till the condition index less than str1 is true. Then where index varies from 0 to len of str1 minus 1. Okay, so let us check now. Run the program like this. See, from starting it is going to print the hello world up to end. Okay, like this by using for and while loop we can traverse the string in our Python programming. Well guys, today we have learnt the string operators like concatenation, membership, repetition and slicing, and also we have seen how to traverse the string by using the for loop and while loop. So I hope today's class found informative and interesting. So practice all these codes I have demonstrated in this class, and like the video and share to your friends. If you have any doubt and clarification, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.